Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can send the money through Remitly. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to create our account on the Remitly website, and then we have to go to this send money option. So let's click on the send money option. So we have to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, what we have to do, we have to choose our country, that which country we have. So as you can see, currently I have choose my country that is in Ireland. So I have choose it. Now you have to select that how much you want to send. For example, I want to send the 30 euros. So as you can see now, the 30 euros will be converted into which country you are sending. For example, I am sending in this country. So now what we have to do, we have to click on this. As you can see, this is the fee. So we have to click on the continue. Let's click on the continue. And after clicking on the continue, we will be need to provide some details like the bank deposit, cash pickup, or the mobile monies. For example, I'm going to choose the mobile money. Now you have to choose that which offer. For example, I'm going to choose like the JS cash. So you have to choose the JS cash. And after choosing that, as you can see, it will ask about the name. For example, I'm going to provide the name like the Ina Ali, and then we have to provide the name optional if you have. For example, I'm going to choose like the Murray, and then simply you click on the continue. And after clicking on this, as you can see, we have to provide their phone number. For example, I'm going to provide the phone number like this, and then simply we have to click on the continue. As you can see, now we have to provide the phone number again. Let's click on the continue. As you can see, receive a notification. So you get, if you want to get notification, you can also do that. You have to click on the yes, please. And now we have to provide the sender details. For example, we have to provide the sender details, my details, if because I am sending this amount. And after providing these details, we have to provide the way, we have to provide the payment method, and then our amount will be cut. So in this way, you can send the money from your Remitly to any country. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.